Everyone, Tim the Plane Man here, and I'm out at the cricket pitch. Just about perfect weather, not a breath of wind, and I'm out here to maiden flight of the Dancing Wings hobby Sopwith Pup. Just finished building the new undecorated version, and that's the one I'm going to try flying. So stay tuned. I've got the GoPro on. Hopefully I've got it pointed right. I think I'm going to point it down a little further, and we'll give it a shot. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's recording. Let's rock and roll.
Throttle active.
Okay, a little crooked. That's right, got the prop saver on, so I have to steer it a little bit to the right. Oh, still a bit of a hard time getting straight. Whoa, it totally steering to the right. I can't control it. Whoa. Okay, that was interesting. It's totally steering around in a circle and just keeps wanting to go round and round and round, and I can't pretty much control the damn thing. Hopefully that was a yep, I didn't think anything went wrong, just the prop saver popped off. Whoops, let's turn down the... Oh, lost a wheel. Okay, where is that? Lost a wheel. So that's interesting, and I think I'll just pop that into my pocket and maybe pop the other wheel off too. And we're going to be doing hand launch now. So I think I need to trim it to the left a long way. I'm just going to pop both of those wheels off. So we're going to be doing, we're not going to be doing a takeoff, although that was like, I mean, I'm really happy, really happy that I got an actual takeoff out of this. All right, so we're not going to take off from there, and what I have to do is I'm going to have to trim it. Yeah, I can see that now. The elevator is okay, quite aggressively to the left. All right, so I've trimmed a long way to the right. It looks straight. Let's just see what happens now. So this time we're going to be doing a hand launch because we got no wheels. I'm kind of happy that I didn't end up with some more damage than that, but let's see what happens. So okay, so I've got to be ready for this. The trick is whoops, what's going on? Something's not right. Not getting any action out of my throttle. Well, I'm getting, okay, I got controls on the servos, but I'm not getting anything from the motor. I think, okay, well, yeah, the motor's not doing anything. I think I may have broken something inside then, because that is just not, there's no activity. Oh, no, that's not it at all. That's my protection. Okay. Same thing. That was me not doing a really good launch. I launched it to the left, and really, that was a really bad launch, really. So honestly, I'm going to try. Whoa. This is so hard to control the damn thing. It is totally twitchy. Whoa, it's the touch of an up elevator and it wants to take off into the sky. It's got masses of power. Whoa, oh that elevator, it's just, wow, just the barest touch of and it takes off. I think if it still hasn't broken anything, which, my God, I'm lucky, but it hasn't. It still seems like it's in one piece after. Did you see that? That was crazy. Okay, the wing, that's a little loose there. Probably needs to be glued. I'm gonna honestly take a chance because this is so much fun. Yeah, so what am I gonna do? I think I need to trim the elevator down because it just wants to go up. It won't go down any further.
Minimum trim reached.
Minimum trim range. Okay. Can't trim it down anymore. So what I'm going to probably have to do is just not use so much throttle, I think. Whoops. Oh, throttle cut. Okay. Not so much throttle. There we go. Okay, that was a nice, more controlled flight. So lower throttle, probably just a bit higher than middle throttle should be about right. Let me try that again. Okay, well, now let's, yeah, the elevator, the rudder. Okay, I got a nice, okay, that's, whoa, it just totally, I'm just really nervous. It keeps bouncing up. So I've got the trim adjusted way too complete to the maximum extreme on the up elevator, and that means to me that I actually need to adjust the servo rod. It's actually, yeah, see, even there with maximum trim, that is actually slightly up on the elevator. It won't go down any further. So I have to control that a little bit by just not using too much elevator, and it's also still going to the right, to the left. It's just to the left, to the left, to the left, or west to the left. So let me just see what I see here. Just gotta see, yeah, it's going to the left. Okay, let me try trim that.
Trim center.
Gonna give it a little bit more right on the elevator, but honestly that elevator is not, it just wants to go up. My God, oh, it's tail heavy. Well, I should have figured that out by now. Okay, I need more weight. I took out some weight out of the front because I thought I had too much, but actually I'm saying it's tail heavy. Okay, well, I don't know, maybe I'm not gonna, you know what, I'm not going to do any more. I'm gonna say this needs to go back to the shop while it's still in one piece, which is kind of nice. It's tail heavy. I need to balance it better. I need to put some weight in the front, and I need to adjust the elevator because even though that looks almost dead straight, well, no, I don't really need to. Yeah, I need to adjust the elevator a little bit, but really what I need to do is put weight in. And silly me, I didn't bring any weight, so I can't actually add more weight now. So let's leave it at that for now and call that a successful, reasonably successful maiden flight. Yes, I lost the wheels, but I didn't lose them, so they're in my pocket, they're safe, and the plane is in one piece, just a little bit loose on on the wing there, which I'm gonna fix. So awesome, really awesome. Now let's get yeah, Sopwith. And honestly, the motor has masses of power for this plane. So I'm gonna say that the fancy decorated version of this might probably fly. It seems to me like it should work.
Throttle cut.